Hello and welcome to Health Talk with Asif, an unprecedented podcast for doctors and health professionals designed to improve your English for giving presentations at conferences and communicating in the medical field. I am your host Asif, and today we have a special guest, Dr. Gulshan Hasanova, who will be sharing insights on understanding pediatric care, attitudes and behaviors towards children. Welcome, Gulshan Hanım.
Welcome. Thank you so much, Asif, for having me on your podcast. It's
You're
an
most welcome.
honor to be here again. Today, I'm excited to share my experiences and insights on understanding pediatric care, attitudes, and behaviors towards children. I'm looking forward to our conversation.
Okay, again, welcome. Thank you. Let's dive in. Why is it important to have a positive attitude and behavior towards children?
A positive attitude and behavior towards children help create a nurturing environment where they feel safe and valued. It fosters their emotional and psychological development, encouraging them to explore, learn, and grow. Positive interactions also build trust and making children more likely to communicate openly and cooperate. Adults should always approach children with patience, empathy, and respect. It's important to listen them actively, validate their feelings, and provide clear, consistent boundaries. Encouragement and positive reinforcement are crucial in helping children build self-esteem and confidence.
What are some common mistakes adults make when dealing with children, and how can they be avoided?
I want to say one common mistake is not taking children's feelings seriously, which can make them feel dismissive or unimportant. Adults should also avoid using negative language and punitive measures because this can damage their self-esteem and trust. Instead, they have to focus on positive reinforcement and constructive feedback. It's important to stay calm and composed when addressing difficult behaviors. Use positive discipline techniques such as setting clear interactions, expectations, and providing consistent consequences. It's very important. Redirecting the child's attention to a more appropriate activity and using timeouts effectively can also be helpful. Always reinforce positive behavior with praise and encouragement.
Okay, can you share some effective communication techniques that work well with children, and how do empathy and patience play a role in a child's development, and why are they important?
Of course, I know that using simple, clear language is crucial when communicating with children. Get down to their eye level to make interactions more personal and less intimidating. Active listening, where you reflect back what the child says, can help them feel heard and understood. Additionally, using positive reinforcement can encourage good behavior and open communication. Empathy and patience are vital if we want to teach our children and how to understand and manage their own emotions. Empathy and patience are vital. These qualities help children develop strong social skills and emotional intelligence and resilience. By modeling empathy and patience, adults help children learn to navigate their world with kindness and understanding.
Okay, what are some practical tips parents can use to improve their interactions with their children daily?
Parents should make time for regular, meaningful interactions, such as family meals or reading together. Consistently show appreciation and encouragement for their efforts and achievements. Practice active listening and be present in the moment avoiding distractions like phones and TV. Establish routines that provide structure and security for the child.
How can teachers and other professionals implement these strategies in their interactions with children?
It's a very important question. Teachers and professionals can create a supportive and inclusive classroom environment by setting clear rules and expectations. Use positive reinforcement and provide consistent, constructive feedback. Encourage open communication and make an effort to understand each child's individual needs and strengths. Building a collaborative relationship with parents can also enhance the child's overall development.
Thank you for your useful information, Gülşen Hanım. That wraps up today's episode of Health Talk with Asif. Thank you for listening, and special thanks to Dr. Gülşen Hasanova for sharing insights on understanding pediatric care, attitudes, and behaviors towards children.
Thank you, Asif, for having me on the podcast. It's been a pleasure sharing my insights. To all the listeners, thank you for tuning in. Stay dedicated to improving pediatric care. Take care. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're most welcome, Gülşen Hanım. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, rate, and review our podcast. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Just remember, the more we learn and care for our health, the more we enhance our well-being and professional practice. Until next time, stay healthy and keep learning.